All right, boys and girls, welcome to the drive-thru. Hope everyone's having a wonderful morning. As always, the drive-thru is sponsored by the deli. Hungry? Stop by the deli. Get yourself a rare Cajun roast beef sandwich on, let's see. We're going to go on toasted sourdough with some horseradish mustard and a double layer of provolone cheese. All right, so this is how to do a proof when you're not given a diagram. Step one, turn your statement into an if-then statement. So how can we rewrite that sentence as an if-then statement? Jenny Lou? If a segment, start with that.
If a segment is the altitude of an equilateral triangle, it is also the median.
Excellent. If a segment is an altitude of an equilateral triangle, then it is the median. All right, look, the reason I made you do that is what it does is it tells you what your givens are, okay? And it tells you what we're trying to prove. So, can you pull out of there what are our givens? Well, I better draw a picture. So we have Joe. Just a simple triangle. What are our givens, Magna? Triangle Joe is equilateral. Excellent. You're exactly right. I'm going to need another point and another segment. How about X? What else are we given? JX is an altitude. We are given that information because that's part of the if. Okay? Pause function. Boom. Given. Magic. All right. So we've got to show that JX is a median. Jenny Lou, how am I going to show that JX is a median? I got to prove that OX is congruent to XE. Well, how do you think I'm going to do that, class? We got that, right? We got that. We got that. Now I know what the HL was supposed to do. Get it? Get it? All right, here we go. So, angle or side JO is congruent to side JE. Notice, you could not have done this proof until today. Otherwise, it'd be ASS. And don't you be telling me that there's an ASS theorem. HL is a specific type of ASS theorem if you're into thinking like that. Okay, here we go. How do I know that JO is congruent to JE? Definition of equilateral. Okay? How do I know that JX is JX? Now, here's where you got to pay close attention if you didn't watch the video. You better watch the video. Normally, we'd be looking for either another side or another angle. The common mistake on the test is that students will tell me that these two right angles are congruent, and then they will tell me it's SAS. It's not SAS. This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Because the A is not what? It's not in between the S's. But I can say that angle OXJ and EXJ are what? Are right angles. What allows me to say that? Definition of altitude. Okay? So now what can I say? Triangle jocks is congruent to triangle jecks, with the reason being HL postulate now I can say ox is congruent to X by CPCTC. And finally, Jenny? Oh, I don't even have to say that. That's fine. I told you that. I kind of lied to you, but I did that every day. I already said OX is XE.
Oh, right, okay, sorry. Altitude of an equilateral triangle.
JX is an altitude. Is an altitude by definition of altitude. Sorry, it's a median. Sorry, it's a median. Sorry. It's a median by definition of median. What's a median? It's a segment that starts at the vertex and bisects the opposite side, goes to the midpoint of the opposite side, creates two congruent segments. All of those would be qualifiable definitions. Can I get a boom? Can I get a boom? Thank you.